Okay, and then of course now for on the adaptation side, recovery, essential amino acids. You know, somewhere between 10 and 12, that's our dosage that we recommend to everybody there. And essential amino acids, again, minus the tryptophan. You don't need the tryptophan in there, and it is actually an essential amino acid, but the tryptophan is not involved in in triggering muscle protein synthesis. Certainly needed for everything else in the body, and also part of, you know, the muscle, the entire assembly of the muscle. But again, it's not essential for muscle protein synthesis. So you only need the 8 there. And plus, you wouldn't want it in there anyway, because it might put you to sleep while you're working out. But anyway, the bottom line is essential amino acids are really what are the only amino acids out of the 20 that are involved in protein synthesis. The rest of them can be made in the body. But these are the ones that target what we call mTOR, right? Which is mammalian target of rapamycin. That is the signaling for muscle protein synthesis. When our amino acids are depleted, it shuts down. When they are full in the body and floating around the body, it activates it immediately, and it tells the muscle it's time to rebuild. Okay. And there's kind of a little picture here. Changes in muscle protein result from breakdown and synthesis or the turnover. But every 4 hours as this goes, the bottom line is, until amino acids come back in, it's just going to keep going down, as you know, and of course, eventually, you'll just wither away and die. So amino acids are the only reason it comes back up. And if you get them in the right array, then it goes out a little bit quicker, and that's really what it's about. So essential amino acids, the higher they are in the blood, the more protein synthesis we're going to find, which is why we had come up with that formula back in 2005. And here's the one here, as you can see here, and this is, again, this is that study we were talking about. This is like information from that study. But take a look at this. So you're actually looking at how fast we can get the essential amino acids up in the blood, which is signaling muscle protein synthesis. So this is just the essential amino acids right here. Right here, look how fast it got up into the blood. And look how long it takes protein. So why do I tell people to take the protein 40 minutes before and amino acids right before you go in the gym and actually keep trickling these in? Because the protein will take longer to get the essential amino acids. This is going to go up and down quickly, right? So you take it immediately after too. And then after that, the protein continues to be digested and essential amino acids coming out. So you're getting the best of both worlds. Immediate, especially during that workout time, and then all the time from your protein coming in during the day. We call that protein stacking. And obviously, your average member, recreational athlete, doesn't need all this fancy stuff. But we're talking about muscle gains, right? We're talking about performance and recovery.